Hello everyone and welcome to NG Platinum Luxury, and today's review is going to be about Davonport Luxury Kitchens. And I want to talk a little bit about my experience there. So we visited their showroom, and they're actually outside of London in Colchester, and I had to take, I guess you can say, planes, trains, and automobiles to get there. It's about a 2-hour commute. And so I wanted to get there to make sure I have a great experience with their manufacturing facility and see what products they have and get a good feel and vibe for what they have going on in their showroom. And immediately when I entered their showroom, I was welcomed by Megan, who was a very nice girl who was very knowledgeable about what they have in their showroom and welcomed us greatly. If you're looking for a traditional or mix of traditional and contemporary type kitchen, they can definitely offer that to you. In their manufacturing facility, that was great to see because they do have great different woods there and an amazing process on how they manufacture their kitchens. They have a very nice, large, open showroom to look at all of the products that they have. So they do have a second floor there. I shot a whole bunch of short videos highlighting some amazing products that they have, and you can check those on my YouTube and Instagram. And Richard Davonport, who is the owner, is such a wonderful man. It was a rainy day there, and when we were wrapping up the day with the showroom tour, I was supposed to take an Uber back to the train station, which in London, taking a train is pretty normal, but he wouldn't allow that. He actually drove me himself to the train station, and I think that says a lot about the person that he is, and that's just amazing. So if you're one of my followers in the US and you're ever in London, you can take the little trip to go visit their showroom, or if you're in London, definitely check out Davonport. They're an amazing company. So until next time, keep designing your life, and I'll see you in the next one.